Are you still struggling with a complicated traditional printing process? Coating and baking is so hard to cut costs that way. Looking for a faster and cheaper way to print on metal? You are in the right place. This video shows you how. In the past, traditional UV printing on stainless steel, aluminum, or acrylic always required a coating layer to increase the ink adhesion. And now, INKBANK has upgraded the process, boosting production, improving quality, and cutting costs all at once. With our brand new non-coating UV white ink, there's no need for coating or baking. That means up to 20% more efficiency right off the bat. And it's not just faster, it's also very reliable. The ink passes adhesion tests, offers smooth flow and precise drops, and is built for industrial-scale production. Choosing INKBANK isn't just about efficiency and cost saving. It's about getting a complete digital inkjet solution and the right partner for your printing transformation.